Perhaps they were once someone's beloved pet, living comfortably in homes, but now often worry about hunger and danger. This is my cat, Jean, an incredibly source of comfort. It's experiences like this that make me want to do something for the stray cats I see around my workplace. So the multi-module processing is chosen as we have 5 processes to go, including inkjet printing, pen drawing, laser cutting, fine point blade cutting, and foil transfer. So we have them all. As pet lovers, we all adore creating cute and meaningful items for our furry friends. The xTool M1 Ultra crafting machine makes this even more fun and rewarding. I hope this traditional Chinese lantern, symbols of luck and health, can bring comfort to stray cats. Remember someone said, the smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. Just small gestures, a little love can make the world a bit better.